Hi, today I'm gonna show you how you can get free stuff for new Temu users. So you can see right now I have a free stuff here pulled up. You can scan this QR code to get in Temu app. You can see it's new app users only and it's also with qualifying orders, but nevertheless, you'll get a rechargeable stainless steel coffee mug with automatic steering and also an temperature display that's USB powered. You can see it's like these. It used to be $60, but now you can get it for free for zero big dollars. If you want this, you can also just type in bit.ly slash Temu free, bit.ly slash Temu free, like this. And then you'll be able to get your free item right away by scanning this QR code. Remember to scan the QR code and then to install the mobile app since this offer only works for new users and new app users as well. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing.